I get a ton of questions about modern car security, and the Kia Seltos anti-theft system always pops up. People buy a new SUV and suddenly worry if their new $25,000 investment will walk away while they are buying coffee. It's understandable. Car thefts in the U.S. actually rose 7% last year. The Seltos' anti-theft tech isn't science fiction or Mission Impossible. It's your basic car alarm, with some clever odds and ends. When you lock it with the remote, a security indicator on the dashboard quietly blinks. That little red light is basically your car's way of doing a flex for anyone watching. I see you. What people don't always realize is that the Seltos system relies heavily on its immobilizer. Even if someone manages to break the window and hop in, they can't just hotwire it. Without a properly coded key, the engine simply won't start. That's not Hollywood, that's math. And yet, here's where pain points come in. Sometimes the anti-theft system does its job a little too well. Ever had that moment when your own key is right there, but your car insists you're a thief? It's usually low battery in the fob or interference. Pro tip, always have a spare battery and keep your key away from electronics overnight. Step by step, if someone tries to enter without unlocking, the siren wails, the hazard lights go full disco, and your neighbors start posting on Nextdoor. But here's the thing. Some folks don't know the alarm instantly reactivates each time you relock. So if you double lock because you thought you forgot, you're fine. One overlooked feature. If you unlock but don't enter within 30 seconds, the Seltos thinks maybe a pickpocket tapped your elbow and it relocks itself. That's a 100% pain point saver for people like me who are busy answering texts in the parking lot and forget about their groceries. Let's talk code. The Smart Keys rolling code technology makes life brutal for techie thieves with radio scanners. With over 1 trillion possible combos, it's easier to guess my Netflix password than to hack your Seltos key. This is where numbers do some heavy lifting in your favor. But owners always ask, can this system be hacked? Sure, if your thief has James Bond's toolkit and a weekend to spare, but 98% of auto thefts are crimes of opportunity. An immobilizer alone drops theft rates for these models by more than half, according to insurance claim data. Big impact. That being said, always lock your doors. I say this because more than 35% of car thefts happen from owners simply forgetting. I'm not immune. I've left my car open in Portland at least 3 times, thinking, who wants a half-eaten granola bar and dog hair? Turns out, plenty of people. Some folks wonder if they should install extra gadgets, steering locks, GPS trackers, or aftermarket alarms. Here's my rule. If it makes you sleep better, do it. Just make sure it doesn't void your factory warranty. Nothing worse than an extra alarm that locks you out. If you ever accidentally trigger your own alarm, just press the unlock button on your fob. If that fails, and sometimes it does, using the mechanical key hidden in your fob will buy you time. Get in, shut the door to muffle the siren, and breathe. Your neighbors will recover. Ultimately, the Kia Seltos anti-theft system is a security blanket, not a force field. It won't stop the world's most determined thieves, but it will seriously annoy anyone lacking a master plan. The key, literally and figuratively, is staying alert and using the tech you already paid for.